There are so many things to take into consideration as you're getting ready for an art fair. And for me, two of the big things were one, how am I going to protect my paintings as they travel to and from the art fair? And how am I going to hang them safely within my canopy? So in this video, I'm going to share with you a few of the things I did. The system that I used for wrapping the pieces, a little bit of painter's tape with the name of the piece. I had a little arrow, which my piece is now turned around, but a little arrow that denoted where the front of the piece was, because my husband was helping me carry things, and I wanted to make sure that he knew where the front or the more fragile part of the painting was. Then I have this heavy-duty plastic that I wrapped around just burrito style, so the edges were open for air movement. Then I have some of this padding wrap around the piece. Here's the painting on the inside, protected by a sheet of glassine. So the glassine just helps to make sure that none of the other wrap can affect the surface of the paint. I'll just go ahead and show you the back while we're here, just with the D-ring hanger and my signature plate and the little felt pads to protect the wall. So I'll show you how this hangs on the mesh panel next. Please excuse my little mock setup here. I didn't get a good video at the art fair on how the pieces hung on the mesh panel. So I'll kind of get a little bit closer to the mesh panel. You can see that it has just little openings where I can stick the price cards. So I'll pull the price card off. You can see the little hook that just slides right into that mesh panel. And then for the pieces, I'll just pull the bluebird piece off and set it down here. This is the drapery hook that I was talking about. So it just slides right into the mesh. There's the sharp side that slides in. And then the picture wire actually sits down in this U that's left on the front of the mesh panel. And because of how deep it is, I really didn't have any worry about a piece being, nudged up against and it falling off. It really held the pieces well. Even the large white barn piece really did hang very solidly. A little tip about these D-rings, you want to place the two D-rings as far apart as you can while still hiding them behind the footprint of your piece. And this keeps the picture wire just a little more taut back there, makes the piece hang more up and down. The hen piece that I have that has the big float frame, it had a tendency to lean no matter how far apart I put those. So what I ended up doing was behind the bottom, I just put a wrap of some bubble wrap just to give it a little bit of space to push the bottom out a little bit, and that worked fine. I organized all of the wrapping for each painting with the title showing alphabetically in this tote, which made it very easy for me to wrap the painting back up whenever a piece sold at the art fair.